Join us here today with an Audi R8 V10 Plus, latest generation or latest facelift version. We've got a whole load of carbon going on this today. Can't wait to see what it looks like, especially on this paintwork. So let's get straight into it. Right, so we spoke about the carbon that's going on. Don't be shy, Sam, come in here. See what you're going to install today. See what you're going to install. So we've got
all of the bits.
All of the bits. Engine bay bits. These are bits obviously you're very familiar with. Something you're not so familiar with is the cross brace.
This new brace, yeah.
It is. I presume this has to come off anyway, doesn't it?
We do have to get that off to get in there and replace the rear section on the bulkhead. So yeah.
Nice.
It'll be out, so I can do a quick switcheroo.
Excellent.
And that can go back in, and it should complement everything else quite nicely.
It should, yeah. I mean, it's a nice part. It's the same 2x2 twill as well, which is the same weave layup on all the other parts. Something we haven't done before, actually.
See, we've got some fancy new airbox covers.
We have, yes. Underneath the mirror bezels, which are going on. This is a genuine Audi part. So we don't manufacture these parts. We manufacture everything else. But this customer has a facelift car. If you actually saw one of our other videos, you might remember the green one we did fairly recently, or even the blue one.
No,
we did some engine bay bits. You do, yeah. Yeah, I can imagine you do.
Yeah, so that's totally different to those. So
it is. Yeah, it should be interesting to see what those are nice and what they look like. Should be
nice new task.
Yeah,
something a bit different.
So it should be fun. That should be fun for you. You enjoy that. Wow, so yeah, some mirror bezels, some mirrors, cross brace, engine bay some
kit.
Filters.
Yeah, it should keep me busy for today.
Should do, yeah. Well, enough of that. I'm going to go put the kettle on. So
you don't like hot drinks, so I'm going to go make some stuff apart. Yeah.
Join us here now at the finish of the carbon upgrades on this Audi R8 Performance model. It's not the Plus, that's the previous generation. That was a mistake on my behalf. This is the actual Performance version. Yeah, so we've done bezels and mirrors on the side, which look really nice. Nice touch, gives it that OEM look that we're all trying to achieve. So that's really tidy. And then come and have a look at this engine bay. Take a look at that. Isn't that something to see? Pretty special. We've obviously upgraded with the various carbon panels on the firewall. So you've got the two either side, one either side, firewall at the back, coolant cover, and then the OEM Audi air intake cover. So that's a part we haven't actually produced as of yet. So we actually obtained these directly from Audi, brand new, and that's something we offer as part of the package. It's something we're looking to potentially actually develop is these parts as well. So then it means it's a little bit more cost effective than buying the Audi parts, which these alone are into the thousands of pounds. And obviously at the end there, we've got this nice cross bracing carbon fibre, which gives it that finishing touch. I'm really happy the way that one's come out. Wasn't entirely sure how that was going to look and whether it might look too much, but it works really nicely. And we've got this really nice colour gradient as well, where it goes from black to a nice lacquered finish. And that's obviously where we've got the reinforced carbon ends there, just to cover up that and blend and also break it up as well. So it doesn't look just like a sea of carbon, it's got a little bit of colour in there as well. So yeah, it's gone on really well. It's a really nice looking car, this. A few bits of carbon sometimes is better than loads of carbon all over the car. So really happy the way this turns out, and hope you guys enjoy the video. Catch you next time.